Good morning, friends. Welcome back to English Yummy Talks, where we learn English through simple, everyday conversations. Hello, everyone. I'm Leo.
And I'm Mia. Today we are talking about something very real: how to use your morning to improve your English, even when you are busy.
Exactly, because many people think, I need one free hour every day to study English.
But then life says, here is work, breakfast, children, messages, traffic, laundry.
And suddenly, that one free hour disappears.
So today we are not talking about a perfect morning routine.
No 5 a.m. wake up, no cold shower, no studying 100 new words before breakfast.
Thank goodness.
We're talking about a small routine that can fit into a normal morning.
Let's begin with a question. What is the first thing you do after your alarm rings?
Be honest.
I usually look at my phone.
Me too. I tell myself I will only check one message.
Then 20 minutes pass and I know everything about people I do not even know.
Yes, a cat has a new birthday hat. Someone is on holiday. Someone is making pancakes.
And I am still in bed.
That is why we want to share one simple idea today. Do one small English activity before you start scrolling.
Not forever, not every minute, just first.
It can change the feeling of your morning.
There's a useful phrase for that. Start your day with intention.
To do something with intention means you choose it on purpose. You aren't only following an old habit.
For example, instead of opening social media without thinking, you decide, today I will listen to English for 5 minutes.
That is a small choice, but it's an intentional choice.
And small choices can become strong habits.
Let me tell you about someone called Elena.
Elena is not a language expert. She works at a hotel and her mornings are always busy.
She wakes up at 7, gets dressed quickly, drinks coffee, and catches the bus at 7:45.
For a long time, Elena said, I want to improve my English, but I am too tired in the evening.
Maybe you know that feeling. You come home after a long day, sit down for just 5 minutes.
And wake up later with your phone on your face.
Exactly. So Elena stopped making big plans for the evening. Instead, she looked at her morning.
She did not wake up an hour earlier.
No, she only made one change. While she prepared her coffee, she listened to a short English conversation.
Just 5 minutes?
Just 5 minutes.
That sounds possible.
That is the important word, possible. A good routine should work in your real life.
Not in the movie of a character who wakes up with perfect hair and unlimited free time.
Very true. So what happened after Elena started listening every morning?
At first, she only listened. She did not understand every word, and that was okay.
That is important. You don't need to understand everything to learn something. After a few days, she noticed some useful expressions again and again.
Like what?
Phrases such as, how can I help you? Could you say that again? And let me check that for you.
Very useful for a hotel worker.
Yes. One morning, Elena repeated those sentences while looking in the mirror.
Did she feel strange?
A little, but then she laughed and said, well, my mirror is a very patient teacher.
I like that.
This brings us to the first easy morning habit. Listen and repeat.
You can listen to a short video, a podcast, or an English dialogue while you make breakfast, brush your teeth, or get dressed.
Choose one sentence you like. Pause the audio and repeat it aloud.
You don't need to repeat 10 sentences. One good sentence is enough.
For example, I have a busy day ahead.
That means you have many things to do today.
Say it with us. I have a busy day ahead.
Very good.
Here's another one. I need to get ready.
You can say that when you need to shower, dress, pack your bag, or prepare for work or school.
I need to get ready.
Simple English. Real English.
Now, Elena added a second habit. On the bus, she opened the Notes app on her phone.
Did she write a long diary entry?
No, she wrote only 3 lines.
What kind of lines?
Lines like these. Today is Tuesday. I feel a little sleepy. I want to speak more English at work.
That's very simple.
And simple is good because simple is easier to repeat.
Yes, sometimes learners wait until they know perfect English before they write.
But writing is how you practice. You don't wait until you are strong before you exercise.
Exactly. You exercise to become strong.
So the second morning habit is write 3 short sentences.
You can write about your plans, your mood, the weather, or what you can see around you.
For example, the sky is gray today. My coffee is too hot. I'm going to meet my friend after work.
You're training your brain to create English, not just understand it.
And don't worry about small mistakes. Mistakes are not proof that you are bad at English.
They are proof that you are using English.
That's a much better way to see them.
Now, after 2 weeks, Elena felt more comfortable with her short English routine.
But then she had a difficult morning.
Oh no, what happened?
She woke up late. Her coffee spilled on the kitchen table. She missed her bus.
That is not a peaceful English learning morning.
Definitely not. She thought, today is ruined. I cannot do my routine.
But was it ruined?
No. While she waited for the next bus, she did something small. She looked at one phrase from the day before.
Only one phrase?
Yes, the phrase was, things don't always go as planned.
That's a great phrase.
It means life doesn't always happen the way you expected.
For example, I wanted to leave early, but things did not go as planned.
Exactly. And Elena learned something important that morning. A routine does not need to be perfect to be helpful.
Yes, you do not fail because you miss one day or because you only have 2 minutes.
The goal is not perfection. The goal is to come back. There's another useful phrase, get back on track.
To get back on track means to return to your plan after a break.
Maybe you didn't practice English for 3 days. That's okay. Today, you can get back on track.
You can say, I was busy this week, but I'm getting back on track with my English.
Lovely. So far, we have 2 habits. Listen and repeat, then write 3 short sentences.
And now let's add a third one. Review one old word or phrase.
Not 20 words. 1. Maybe yesterday you learned the word comfortable.
Today, make a new sentence. I feel more comfortable speaking English.
Or maybe you learned busy.
You can say, my mornings are usually busy.
Reviewing is important because new words can disappear quickly if you never see them again.
Think of vocabulary like little plants.
You can't give a plant water one time and then forget it forever.
You need to water it a little again and again.
Your English needs small care too.
Now, let's make a very easy 5-minute plan for tomorrow morning.
Minute 1, play a short English conversation.
Minutes 2 and 3, repeat 1 or 2 sentences aloud.
Minute 4, write 3 short sentences in your phone or notebook.
Minute 5, review 1 phrase from yesterday.
That's all. 5 minutes.
And on a very busy morning?
Do 1 minute. Listen to 1 sentence. Repeat it once. That still counts.
Because small progress is still progress.
Yes, you don't need to change your whole life on Monday morning.
You only need 1 small action.
Before we finish, let's review today's useful expressions.
First, start your day with intention. Choose something on purpose.
Second, I have a busy day ahead. I have many things to do today.
Third, things don't always go as planned. Life can surprise us.
And fourth, get back on track. Return to your plan after a break.
Now, here's your English Yummy Talks challenge. Tomorrow morning, choose 1 tiny English action before you scroll on your phone.
Listen to 1 minute of English.
Repeat 1 sentence.
Or write 3 simple lines.
Then, write 1 sentence in the comments. Tomorrow, I will.
For example, tomorrow I will listen to English while I drink coffee.
Or, tomorrow, I will write 3 sentences on the bus.
Your English doesn't need to be perfect. It only needs to become part of your day.
Little by little, morning by morning, you will feel more confident.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Like the video, subscribe to English Yummy Talks, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Take care of yourself. And remember, one small English moment can make your day better.
Bye!
Bye.